everyone and welcome. In this video I want to walk you through how to clear all search history on YouTube mobile. Now to clear all search history on YouTube mobile, the first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube, tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then you go to manage your history, tap on manage your history. And you take it to your Google settings, Google account settings. Now from here, you can now go there to YouTube. You can see your YouTube history, you can see everything. So to clear it, you simply click on delete. And you can delete today, delete custom rate, or delete for all time. It's as simple as that. And the second way you can do is, second thing you can do apart from this is to tap on saving your YouTube history, click on it. Then you can see, you can decide to turn it off, or you can go to manage history, click on manage history, and to still bring you back here. So these are the two ways you can get here, but I prefer the first way. And then you can also tap on auto delete for 36 months and choose an auto delete option for your YouTube history, search history. So you can choose, there are some options, 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. So choose the ones you prefer and then click on next. Preference saved. So that's it. It's as simple as that. It's very important to do this because clearing your search history helps protect your privacy by removing your search terms from your YouTube records. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.